Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some news from Amazon regarding Amazon FBA sellers in the UK. Amazon has just announced major changes to the VAT invoicing that could have impact on your profit. So starting from the 1st of August 2024, these changes will be applied, which potentially could cost thousands in lost profits. So what has changed? Until now, Amazon was charging the sellers their fees from Amazon Luxembourg under the reverse charge VAT scheme. This allowed new sellers to avoid paying VAT. If you are below that threshold, the 90,000, you don't have to pay any VATs. And if Amazon has charged you, some even managed to get a refund if they were incorrectly charged. But that's all about to change. From August the 1st, Amazon will now start invoicing from branches within each country. This means reverse charge scheme is out and VAT will be applied to all those fees. So for Amazon UK sellers who were previously exempt, this means an extra 20% VAT will be added to their fees. This could cut into your profit. Now, if you are VAT registered, this does not affect you because you can claim back the VAT. But for new seller, you can't claim that. So in my opinion, I think it's a good move as prices will now take the 20% VAT into account. This means the new seller will no longer have this advantage of having bigger margin, making the playing field more equal. What do you think about this announcement? Will it affect your plan to start selling on Amazon FBA UK in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.